thing I like most about the community is like we're all family.
Everybody can be friends here. Like you can say hi to someone that you've never talked to in your life, and they would say hi back and be like, "How was your day?"
The community's really close here. I know all of the middle school and the high school and most of the younger kids. When we have like a big school gathering and people come, I can say hi to everyone because I know their name.
It's not just like your grade who you're friends with, but it's like you have big gaps of like friendship between all the other grades, and I feel like it reminds me of like the body of Christ. Like there's many different churches, but this part of the body of Christ is very joined together.
What I appreciate most about TA is probably the way they help you to think on your own and make your own thoughts. And it's not as much of a lecture coming from the teacher, but a question that you can respond to.
It's been really helpful having like a Bible class or a chapel pretty much every day. So it's in everything that we do. So it's baseline of all of our subjects, not just Bible.
I mostly think it's the people around me. They show me that you can be a good person, you can be a funny person, and you can be all those things the same as me, but you can also be Christian and know Christ. It's not just you're brushing it off and saying you're Christian, but we really apply it to our work.
The teachers are going to bring you in, and you're going to end up feeling like you were there the whole time. They can just bring you into it very easily.
You will find friends immediately. You should not be scared to come here and have to look for friends, because people like come up to you and talk to you